Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Lancer Evo 7 from Hot Wheels, part of their Silver Series. And as you can see, it says graphic remix Fast and Furious. So basically what they have done, if you look closely at the card, you can see that was the actual color, the car in the movie. They remixed it, switched it, so now it's in blue and that shade. It's also 25 years of Fast and Furious. It's a set with 5 cars, which are Honda S2000, Lancer Evo 7, Jetta Mark III, Silvia, and a custom Integra. I couldn't find the Silvia, I found the rest 4, so I'm just gonna pin all of those one by one and show them how they look in different videos. So let's open this one and see all the details. So here is the Lancer Evo 7 out of its box. And if you don't know about the Silver Series, those are the castings which are priced and slotted between main lines and premium. So they have better details than main lines, but still miss on some details which you get in premium. So let's see what we got here. So let's start from the front. So in the front, you've got detailed headlamp, you've got the Mitsubishi badge, you've also got the blacked out grills, some good details front. You can see the vent here in the hood, because Lancer Evos are turbocharged, so they need more air. So you got those. Let's move to the driver's side. It's a left-hand drive, not a right-hand drive. So the driver's side, well, you got this paint scheme which is opposite of what you see on the actual movie cars, but they still look good. The blue with this neon green paint scheme. Wheels, we have seen on some Silver Series cars before. They don't look bad here, but I would have preferred something like a 5-spoke on the Evo at least. Would have made it look better. You do get mirrors on the side, again which is good to have. And you can see a scoop in the roof too, to get more air in. It's a 4-door obviously, so you see both the doors with the door handles. Coming to the back, again good details here. You can see you've got painted tail lamps, you've got Mitsubishi badge, and a big spoiler. A huge spoiler in the back, and single exhaust at the bottom. So good details in the back too, looks nice. And the passenger side also looks good. This is how it looks from the top. The interior seems to be finished in black. I don't see anything special there apart from the roll cage and a spare wheel inside. Let me see if it can focus. Don't think it can really show you through the camera, but it has got a roll cage, if you see there, and a spare wheel inside the car. This looks from the bottom. So overall, should you get it? Well, it depends. Even if you're not the fan of Fast and Furious movie, if you like Lancer, Evos, Mitsubishis, you should get this. This looks really good. Well, that's what I think. Let me know if you have any thoughts about this or any opinions. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.